Hello and welcome back to Show Builder Tutorials. Today we're going to open up a production and talk a little about some of the features of the current production page. Now, to begin with, we'll start on the My Productions page. Then, simply click on this Edit button here and it will open up that specific production. This brings us here to the current production page. On this page, you can see not only information specific to the production, but also below here, we have a gallery view of our production company. Now, because this is a central hub for your show, there is a lot of information to cover on this page. Therefore, we're going to break that up into two videos. In this video, we will cover the top main toolbar, and in the second video, we will discuss the second toolbar, logo, and company members. Now, let's start at the top of the page and work our way down. First, here in the corner is the logo for my show and the title. This will not only remind you of which show you're operating within, but also if you click on the logo, it will open up this menu on the left side of the screen. This lists all of the show-specific pages that you can access. Those pages include logos, company, characters, etc. And it is also where you can access your inbox, outbox, and calendar all down here. Now, this allows you to easily navigate between different pages for your show, and this menu is always accessible at the top of your screen regardless of which page you navigate to. Now, moving right along, next to that you can see that this says Current Production. That is because this particular title will let you know what specific page you are on. Then, as you navigate to other pages, this title will change to reflect those movements. For instance, if I was on the company page, this would say Company instead of Current Production. Now, it's similar to the logo and title. Clicking here will also navigate you to that main show menu on the left side of the screen. Now, after that, you have a drop-down menu here. This menu changes what role you are logged in as. Now, often you will only have one role for each production. However, there are times when you might find yourself handling separate positions for the show. Now, for the purposes of these tutorials, I've added myself to the company in several different positions that are in multiple different departments, so I can show you some of the different features throughout. Now, for right now, I'm going to stay logged in as Deck Sound. I would also like to note that this menu is the only thing that does not remain in your top bar as you navigate to various pages. So, if you would like to change roles, make sure to come back here to the current production page to do so. This will become more important as we delve into department specifics and the different edit permissions that can be set for each of these roles. Now, directly next to the drop-down menu is a small headshot. Now, this is a thumbnail of my profile picture. Once you log in and set up your profile, your own picture will be in place of this icon. Now, if I click on my profile picture, it pulls up another menu on the right side of the screen. This menu has all of the pages specific to my account, such as profile, production files, subscription, color names, and palettes, etc. Now, similar to the main show menu, this gives you easy access to all of the pages global to your account and can also be accessed from any page you navigate to. Now, that should give you a basic overview of the top main toolbar. Please check out the rest of the videos for part 2 of the current production page and more in-depth tutorials on other pages and features of Show Builder. We hope this was a helpful video for you. And as always, if you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to leave us a comment below or send us an email. Thank you, and break a leg!